So session is mainly about the mains preparation. And I can assume that some of you are fresher, some of you have appeared in 2021 prelims and you were not able to clear the prelims. Okay, so two kind of candidates are here, and those who were not able to clear the prelims in 2021, after prelims they knew like there is hangover of the prelims failure. Then after that they knew that they had to start their preparation again because 2022 is coming, and they were like, okay, this year we'll not make any mistake, and this year what we are going to do that we are going to correct all the mistakes which we have committed. So all of you were planning for the mains preparation. That is thing number one. Okay, somewhere you were trying some of you might have joined some test series, some course here and there and other things, right? So what is the issue? Where is the first of all, should you prepare mains? Because those who are not able to clear pre. Okay, so 2021 could be your first, second, third, fourth, whatever attempt it is. In 2022, those who will get the rank, out of these, around 85 with 85 to 90% of the candidate, you will hear one common thing. Those who were not able to clear the prelims in 2021, that I prepared mains in November, December, Jan and Feb, mid Feb or Feb. This is one thing which will differentiate a candidate who is simply going to write the mains and second candidate will get some rank. What rank? I don't know. But some rank this particular candidate will get. And the same I have seen with 22 result, sorry, 20 students, and those who got the rank. It's a common thing that they prepared their mains after failing in prelims or just after the mains. This year you will find that many candidates who are going to write the mains, just after the mains, they'll start their mains preparation because they know that they need to work somewhere here and there. So they'll start doing that. So ideally, everyone should prepare for the mains. Ideally. Am I audible completely? Any voice issue?
So your voice is breaking sometimes.
Okay. Is it fine now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Then those who have tried the same thing in 20,
Sir, audible issue, sir.
and yeah, what is the issue with the voice? Wait.
So those who were not able to clear prelims in 2021, they can learn the lesson. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Okay. The lesson is that these candidates were trying. They were trying to prepare mains between the gap time. And they know exactly that how much they were able to do it. And they were planning a lot. Some might have joined some good courses because some courses looks very good, that okay, by doing this course I will be able to finish XYZ syllabus. But the outcome, if you will ask them, they will be like, we were planning to finish many things, but we were not able to finish anything, and we were back to square one, and we simply entered into 2021 pre-prep. It's a classic trap. Classic trap of civil services preparation. That you want to prepare for the mains, but you are stuck with this pre and main cycle, and you are preparing for the prelims. So what is the issue? Why? Because everyone wants to prepare for the mains, everyone wants to clear the exam, everyone wants to get very good rank. Like from day after tomorrow, 5th of December, foundation course is starting in Labasna. And I was talking to some of the selected candidates. They have reached to the Labasna, and they are like adjusting to the climate of Labasna, and everyone wants to be there, but they are not able to go there. So what is the main problem? Let's talk about the problem. Problem is and
Sir, voice issue.
yes, and we are not doing more in reality. That's where the problem lies. So if you will check your plans or anyone else's plan, those who have planned for the mains in December, their plan will be like, I'll finish optional, paper one, ethics, GS3, some current affairs, some part of prelims. This is what a common plan candidate makes for December. Then January, optional paper 2 finish, test series finish, then GS2, GS1, current affairs, pre whole syllabus over, fab for the revision. Until you make such plan, your soul is not satisfied. Your soul is like, no. How can you plan so less? So we are not happy with less in plan. And once you start the execution, then comes the another set of problem, that in the whole planning, this whole plan, there is a very good possibility that you will read chapter 1 of optional paper 1, and you will do something about the plan. You'll read 1 or 2 chapter out of ethics, nothing from GS3, nothing from this. So output is hardly 5%. So we are not doing more in reality. And this is where frustration comes. Are you getting what I'm trying to say? The main cause of your problem, the main cause why you are not able to do the mains lies in these lines. So what is the solution? If your plan is like, let's say in December, I will finish ethics. That's it. Suppose someone is planning that I will finish ethics in December, and your neighbor or your friend enters in your room and they are like, only ethics you are going to finish. Don't you think that you will be behind so many candidates and you will not be able to get the rank, this and that? If you are able to finish ethics in the month of December, trust me, you have achieved more than what others are doing. Only ethics in the whole month of December, I'm saying, you are much better placed than others. Only optional paper one, half part. I'm not saying full part. That is very distant dream. Half part. You are able to finish. Trust me, you have done your job. You have done what is required. So this thing, and your soul will be like that, look, you are just finishing this. What is the point of preparing for so long, and what is the point of entering in this examination? But it is always better to finish something tangible which you have planned than making big plans. And this is just a very small thing which I have mentioned here. You'll find many things that in prelims, polity, economy, environment, what not they'll finish. And in this, I forgot one thing, answer writing. They'll do answer writing every day. They'll do essay writing every day or every week. So one lesson which you have to learn is be realistic. This thing is not going to help you. Even if you'll meet some toppers, genuine toppers, who does not fake their preparation. And today also, like we are sitting on the December 3rd, and the person who is preparing in next year, that person is going to get XYZ rank. Okay. And let's say some person going to get under 100 rank. One thing they'll tell you, that only thing which I did, I was realistic in my preparation. I was not living in wild dreams. I was not living in la la land where reality does not exist. I hope you got it, what I'm trying to say. So that is one thing. Another thing is, if then issue of soul, as I have said, soul wants more items in the plan. What other thing soul wants? And this is not your real soul, this is fake soul. And this fake soul, and you can call it mind. Mind is a better term for it. Another thing. Suppose if I'll tell you that for XYZ topic, let's say agriculture, or let's say best topic is disaster management. If I'll tell you that for disaster management, these 10-15 pages of notes are more than sufficient. And you will be able to write answer. How to check it, whether it is sufficient or not, whether you are able to write answer or not. It is a very simple test. Okay, and I'm telling you that just read these 15 pages and you will be able to write the answer. But your soul is like, no, no, no. So in market, you'll find one notes of 120, 130 pages. And you are like, yes, this is what I want. Or you'll find a book of 200, 300 pages. You'll purchase that. You won't trust me. You'll trust this. Out of these, you will not read more than 12 pages. Out of these, you will not read more than the same 10, 12 pages. But out of this, you could have read it at least once. And this 10, 15 pages notes, I'm talking about standard notes, not some single liner notes. Very comprehensive and standard notes. Right? But your mind is like, no, you need big notes, more notes, right? That is second problem. So by having this 200, 300 pages, and you have planned disaster management for 2 days or 3 days maximum, who prepare disaster management for 15 days? No one. And within 2 to 3 days, you will not be able to finish this or this. Then again, you are back to the square one. And these are the things which are pulling you, back to the prelims preparation. Okay. So this temptation of purchasing more and more and more, this has to stop. If you really want to prepare well for the means. You meet any good topper. Now so they are in Labasna. You meet any good topper this year once they get the rank and request them that I want to visit your room. And let's assume that someone has cleared the exam in 3 attempts. First thing, you will find very limited number of books. But standard one. Second thing you will find, they keep on revising that. And third thing, you will find more than 80% of the books or the notes are from their second attempt. फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में तो समझ में आता नहीं है ना. फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में तो हम सब कलेक्टर बन जाते हैं. And it happens in the first attempt, it happens that we purchase many books. Okay. But only in second attempt, they are like, okay, this is what I have to do to clear the exam. Clearing exam versus gathering knowledge. These are two different things. Those who focus on the first part, it is likely they will be having these things. Those who focus on the second part, and even they are not getting the knowledge, they are not gathering the knowledge, they are just collecting the books. And those who are gathering the knowledge, you will find many books in there. Okay. And this is a mistake. So instead of wasting 10 days to purchase 10 different source of books, utilize these 10 days to find out the standard books and then stick to it. Let me give you one personal example. Have you seen Vipin Chandra post independence book? Anyone? Number of pages?
Yes.
Around, if I'm not wrong, around 600 plus. 600 pages are there. And someone told me that you should read that book. And when I was reading that book, I was like, okay, let me make notes of that book.
800 pages.
800. Okay.
Yes, sir.
800 pages. So when I was reading that book, I was like, okay, let me make notes of that book. It took me 2 months approx to make notes of that book. 2 months. And how many questions are coming from post independence? And I made the notes in 2015-16, December to Jan. 2 months plus means 15 days more. How many questions are coming? 0. What is the utility of that note? I scanned those notes and I shared my notes freely. That please read those notes if anyone wants to. Had I utilized this time for my optional or any other topic, any core topic of C, I would have done better in mains. But there was no one to tell me. Someone told me that you have to read it, make the notes. I did it. For world history, I had like Arjun Dev, then one this Norman Louis, if his spelling is right. Then one more book. One of my friends suggested. I had that book, and one notes I was having. Didn't read this third book. Notes I read. How many questions came? 1 or 0. And I spent very good amount of time on these things. Again, had I utilized this time for my optional core topics, things would have been different. Instead of giving Jan as a teacher, I might have been giving topper stuff that don't commit this mistake. These are small things, but these things matter. And I was preparing for the mains. For a kind information, I was preparing for the mains, but in the wrong direction. Very wrong direction. So another important point comes. There are 2 points to it. One is optional, which we'll cover. Moon. Second, there are two thoughts which might be haunting you, and both are right. Thought number one, if you don't clear prelims, then what is the point of preparing for the mains? If you don't clear the prelims, then what is the point of preparing for the mains? It is a very correct thought. And thought number second, if you clear pre but don't prepare mains, then what is point of clearing prelims? And both are, as I have said, both are right. Both the thoughts are correct. Suppose you are not clearing the prelims, what is the point of preparing for them? You are not going to write the mains. And if you clear prelims but don't prepare mains, then what is the point of clearing the prelims? And during my journey, my preparation, I was having both the thoughts. And I had faced both the issues. Captain preparing for prelims, clearing prelims, writing mains, but no preparation for the mains. And earlier was not clearing the prelims, stopped preparing for the mains. Then what is the solution? Solution lies somewhere in between. Gautam Buddha, middle path. The right thing to do. First, and second, both the things we have to do. And this is the solution. Now many students are preparing for the mains with us. And whenever we take their session, and especially those who have cleared their prelims in for the very first time, after 2, 3, 4 attempts, there is one common general feeling that, sir, I wish I could have finished the main syllabus before the prelims. Sir, I wish I could have done my options. Sir, I wish. And time is gone. Now they have to sit for the mains. They cannot go back. They cannot go back. But the biggest strength which you have as of now, you are sitting where they were last year. Don't commit this mistake. Do not commit this mistake. These two thoughts will keep on coming, and you will be living between these two thoughts. But solution lies here. Okay. Then whatever I say, one thing I'm sure, in the morning you will be having thought means, in the evening or night you will be worrying about prelim. Issue and challenge is not of the preparation. It is how to handle your mind. Because mind cannot be satisfied. As I have said that in the month of December, if you are like, I will do only ethics. Mind is like, are you mad? Look at others' plan. They like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Some are like 20 tasks in their hand. So mind will keep on pattering. It will keep on saying it. But you have to. You have to control it. And you have to believe what you are doing the right thing. Because you will keep on wasting the time. You will keep on making the plan. You will keep on wasting the time. This item, that item, this particular topic, this book, that notes. And there are n number of courses available in the market. And every course will look so lucrative to you that by joining this, I will be able to do this. And there are students who join like current affairs class, 50, 60 current affairs class. And they keep on doing that. And when you will sit for the mains, you are like, what is the point of doing 60 classes, 50, 60 classes of the current affairs? Instead of that, you could have spent your time with the course syllabus. Current is important. There is no doubt, but don't give this much importance to the current. And the things which are not so important, mind is so happy with that. Like I have said, na, post independent. Made the notes. Spent 2 months preparing. I was preparing for the mains. No one could have questioned me that you are not studying. But was that a right choice? No, not at all. That was not a right choice at all. You have to be very choosy. And unless you are choosy, and remember this thing which I'm telling you, your future will judge you on the basis of choices you made today. This thing will decide. This thing will be a decisive factor for you, whether your choices were correct or not. Make sure that you are choosing the right path, right way. Make sure that your choices are correct. And future is not very far. 2022 is just coming. In June, you are having prelims. In September, if there is no third wave or something like that, then September you are going to write the mains. By the month of November end or December first week, your mains result will be out. And that will be your judgment. And you'll remember this day that I made some choices. You will be very much happy if you will make right choices. You will be very much frustrated if you make bad choices. So this is very important for you. Then there are some that, sir, no, I want to prepare only for the prelims. My simple question is, are you preparing solely for the prelims? And if yes, go for it. No issue with that. If you are giving your 100% with the prelims, go for it. No issue at all with that. If you are able to do, but I'm sure in your front mind means is there. But if someone is like, I'm doing it, I'm comfortable, just add one thing. Whatever whatever you are doing for the prelims, around 30-35% of main syllabus is common. Make sure you are touching this part. Make sure you are touching this part. Then also you are on the right path. But if you are not doing it, and if you are doing only prelims, we don't give 6 months to the prelims. No one gives. Sincere candidate, and especially if you are not fresher, no one gives 6 months for the prelims. And let me show you the future. We are sitting in December. If you keep on wasting your time, if you don't make the right choices, if you don't decide what you have to do, and if you don't stick to it, you will lose these months. And you will be sitting in the next session, which we'll be having in April, how to prepare for the prelims for next 3 months. Next 3 months is strategy for the prelims. And if you sit in that session, openly say it. That, sir, I have wasted. You're right. And do not blame anyone. Your family, friends, this, that. Do not blame anyone. Accept it. More than 90% candidate waste this time. They take the liberty of time. They take the liberty of time that now we have the time. There are two things. Again and again, I keep on saying this. You have the time and you don't have the time. You have the time to study. You don't have the time to waste. One simple test, let me give you. Take any of the topic, either internal security, either agriculture, or either society. Allot 7 days for these topics. Just 7 days. We are sitting at December 3rd, December 10th. By your own, by December 10th, try to finish these topics. Any topic, either internal security or agriculture or society, anything. And by doing that, you'll get to know that it is taking time. So in your dream world, in your schedule, you might have given these topics 3 days, or in December list, these were the topics. And when one topic takes 10 days, 12 days, only then you realize that you do not have the time. Or sit with your optional. Try to finish first 3 or 4 topics. And you are like that, you need more time. You need more time to do it. And then only you will realize time is very less. unless you enter in the preparation mode, you will never be able to realize that you don't have the time. You don't study for 1 month. You are like, I have the time. There is no problem with that. Because I am Superman, I can finish many things in 10, 12 days. And once the Superman becomes common man, muffler पहन के, then you realize that yes, you have the time, but you don't have the time to waste. So the earlier you enter, better for you. Then coming to the optional. One mistake which will cost, which might cost you your attempt, which might really cost your attempt is not doing optional. Then after prelims and after, especially after clearing prelims, you might be devoting 80% of your time for the optional. And even in that, you might be devoting more time for paper one. Because generally paper one is full of thinkers in humanities side. And if you're having technical optional, then to while preparing for the mains, you are like up to अगले साल बढ़िया से करना. Do not commit this mistake. Don't dare to commit this mistake. And the same panda which I have told for the GS. If someone is telling you that by doing this notes, you will be able to finish your option, follow that notes. Books are bulky, lot of unnecessary content, and in one whole book, like 400-page book, there is a very good possibility that you might have to refer only 2 chapters. बट वो एक शौक बन गया बुक कलेक्शन का, तो कलेक्ट करते गए. Don't. In optional, meet some senior, very good senior, not some random senior. Watch a very good topper stuff, and only good, who is going to tell you you have to study. If any topper is like you don't have to study paper 2, stop watching the video. It simply means that he or she is faking. I have done that. That is why I'm telling you. In my optional, one topper, he said that we don't prepare paper 2. It is just like GS. We simply go and write it. I finished that paper in 1 hour 30 minutes, not because I was very good with the content and concept, because I knew nothing. And I got 53 marks. 53. So any topper says you don't have to prepare. My option was philosophy. If any topper says we don't prepare GS1, GS2, GS3, GS4, stop watching that video. Simply stop watching that. Okay. So optional you have to. And the best way to do it, let me tell you, like from my mistakes, what I have learned, the best way to finish your optional is if you have any good coaching class video lectures of your particular optional, then watch those videos, all the videos. While watching the video, make notes. It's a thumb rule. If you are watching any video and if you are not making notes, then first you will not be connected with the class. Second, you will be less concentrated. And suppose the length of the video is 2 hours. After 15 minutes, you will enter in your dream world. And once you come back, lecture is over. So even if you are watching any video of GS or anything, make notes. If it is possible, if video lectures are available, watch it. Best way. If not, find the standard note, and generally we get it that what is the standard note. Read the standard notes many times. First time, second time, third time. Because in first time, generally we don't get the idea what the note is saying. Only in second time we get to know. Do not make your own notes while you are going through for the first time or second time. In third time, start making. Otherwise, suppose the photocopy is of 1200 pages, your notes will be of 100 pages. No, that is not the notes. Okay. So in optional, at least read it once before pre. Second thing, previous year question analysis. Means check the previous year question, that what all questions are coming from XYZ particular topic. Even if you do it, then you have done your job. And that is fine. Sometimes we feel that preparation is becoming tough. You're not able to sit for 3 or 4 hours. And you are dreaming to sit for 8 to 10 hours. If you are dreaming to sit for 16 hours, God help you. Okay. Sometimes we feel that things are becoming tough. One, from study side, personal side, miscellaneous issues, which we do not predict that you might be dealing with such XYZ issue while you start your preparation. Because whenever we dream a world, we dream a very rosy world. So what is the answer to this question? Very simple answer. Go back to the time when you were thinking about entering in this preparation. Go back to the time when you were thinking to enter in this preparation. You must have heard the stories that you have to study 10 hours. You will be all alone. Preparation is tough. Syllabus is huge. And this is the only exam, civil services examination. This is the only exam in India where society and family is telling you do not enter in this process. And they'll tell you n number of stories. Don't you think that it is a very unique exam? While you were in 12th, your family forced you go for IITs, go for MBBS entrance, go for DU entrance, go to St. Stephens, and your families keep on telling you, you should prepare for IIT, you should prepare for this, go for IIM. But once you say that I want to enter in civil services examination, the whole society, the whole family is like, no. Family in the sense extended one. Of course, your parents is supporting, that is why you are here. Relatives are like, no. Everyone is like, no. And you made that choice that I have to enter. It's your choice. No one forced you to enter in this hell. It is a hell. Civil services preparation time is very tough. Definitely, after 1 year, exam is not tough. Process becomes very tough. Those who are sitting for their sixth attempt, after 2, 3 attempts, parents are like, find a job, get settled down, then give your rest of the attempt. And you are like, no, I need one more chance. There are many female candidates who are like, this is your, for them is like ultimate. This is your last attempt. Next year, with marriage, you will prepare. Many face this issue. But in the end, what matters is that it was your choice to enter. And you knew very well where you were going to enter, in which thing you are entering. You cannot complain that no sir, मुझे तो सब बढ़िया बढ़िया बताया था कि 2 किताबें पढ़ लेते हैं IAS बन जाते हैं. You knew it. So what you were dreaming at that point of time, even if, and you were making your plans that I will quit social media, I will quit this, I will quit that, I will prepare for like 10 hours, 12 hours, I'll complete this, I'll complete that, I'll get rank. Even if you do 30% of that, what you were dreaming at that point of time, in 2022, you'll find your name in the holy PDF. Holy PDF means the rank list. You'll find your name there. So stop complaining. And even today, if you'll call your parents, I'm leaving this preparation, 99% of the parents will be very happy. Come back home, we are so happy. कि finally तुम में बुद्धि आ गई. So these sleepless nights and tears, frustration, depression, you chose that. There is a very good escape to this. Quit it. But your heart is like, no, I can't. Because deep within you, you know that you can do it. And something is not working. Maybe it is prelims, maybe it is CSAT. You might have prepared very well for the GS this year, and CSAT was the culprit for you. Or it could be GS. Something is not working. But deep within you, you know it very well that you have the capability to do it. And those who are doing the time pass in the preparation, suppose someone simply here to do the time pass, and deep within you, again I'm repeating, if you are doing the time pass here, and deep within you, you know it very well that you will never be able to clear it, then civil services examination is not the best time pass. there are many things you can do for time pass. Instead of wasting your life in ORN ki galiyan, go somewhere else and chill out. And they are so lucky when they know that no, this is not my cup of tea. It is your battle and you chose the battle. So stop complaining. Always remember you chose it. I hope I have made myself clear here. If you think you can do it, only then you are here. If you are here for the time pass, shift from ORN, go to South Delhi. South Delhi is a very good place to chill out. The last thing, we are in December. Is it possible to prepare pre-com mains? Answer is yes. But those who have started preparing in the month of October, they had some advantage. Now you have to push bit harder. Bit harder you have to push, but yes, it is doable. So there are two models to this. One is pre-com mains from December itself, or till Feb mains from March pre. It depends on your level of preparation. Why bit harder? Because if you are doing only mains, your mind is like, you are doing only mains. What if I fail in prelims? If you are doing pre-com mains now, your mind is like, I'm sacrificing my mains. I should do prelims later. Bit harder, but doable. It all depends. It all depends how you plan, how you are being guided. There's another thing which I would like to say. When you are guided, by the right person, journey becomes easier, somewhere easier, and your productivity increases manifold. Ideally, you are planning to finish ethics in, let's say, 10-12 days. And those who have experimented with ethics, they knew it very well. That it keeps on going on, going on, going on. And at one point of time, ethics become very boring. But if someone is guiding you, you can not only finish ethics in 10-12 days, but you will get to understand some basics of answer writing, which is very important. So if possible, get the right guidance. If possible. There is one thing which I missed. You're not able to study, you are not studying, you are keep on planning, and so many things are going on. But finally, you started studying. finally you chose what you can finish and what you should do. And this is a very big thing for you. It's a very small kind of victory for you. That finally I found my momentum. Finally I found my pace. And you had to push a lot and lot of things you had to do. But finally you did it. But dear aspirant, it is just step one. The next step. So it is like reading. You are happy that finally you are able to do it. Step one. You must enter in step two also, writing. You must enter into step three also, revising. And you must enter into step four also, making your notes. If you complete all the steps, then only be happy. And not only happy, I will say satisfied. You should be satisfied that okay. But do not just get afraid of it that, sir, अभी तो पढ़ाई नहीं हो रही थी, बड़ी मुश्किल से यहाँ तक का सोचा, आपने 4 काम और थमा दिए, अब तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला, अब तो ये स्टेप 1 भी नहीं आने वाला. So definitely step 1 take a lot of energy, lot of time. But once you are here, then you have to move in this side. Only then your whole cycle completes. So I'm telling you this thing because you should not be like, sir, अब तो पढ़ाई चालू कर दी है, अब तो कार्टर का देख लेते हैं कौन सा कार्टर मिलेगा. कार्टर थोड़ा लेट मिलेगा, अभी सिर्फ पढ़ाई चालू करी, थोड़ी सी प्रोसेस और बाकी. बट स्टेप बाय स्टेप you should know. Don't jump from, like, again I'm saying, don't be like a superman कि सर ने बोला चारों चीज करनी है तो दिसंबर में सब कर दूंगा. पढ़ाई तो हो नहीं रही है, फिर प्लान बन गया कि आई विल फिनिश एथिक्स, आंसर राइटिंग, रिवीजन, नोट्स. प्लीज डोंट मेक plans like this. At least start the step 1 and then include step 2, step 3, step 4. Okay, so this is all from my side. Now if you have doubts, if you have questions, please feel free to ask. Unmute your audio, ask your doubts.
हेलो पुनीत सर.
Yes,
शांति है.
yes, Shanti.
सर एक नया इंटीग्रेटेड बैच स्टार्ट हो रहा है क्या? आपने पहले
हाँ,
कुछ दिन पहले
हो रहा है.
मैसेज
हो रहा है. उसका मैसेज आ जाएगा, आज ही आ जाएगा.
सर प्री कम मेंस वाला ना?
हाँ, प्री कम में.
ठीक है सर, थैंक यू.
ओके.
Sir, I want to ask you about current affairs.
Yes.
Sir, from result to till now, I missed Hindu newspaper. So from now onwards, what should be approached? Because in June.
Now onwards start studying the Hindu newspaper. उससे पहले का जो भी छूटा है वो किसी करंट अफेयर्स मैगजीन से कवर कर लेना.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
हाँ, तो ज्यादा टेंशन लेनी नहीं है. अब पुराने 45 दिन के द हिंदू थोड़ी ना पढ़ने बैठेंगे.
हाँ, yes, sir. Thank you.
ओके. एनीवन?
सर आइडियली दिसंबर एंड तक कितना ऑप्शन हो जाना चाहिए?
ऑप्शनल डिपेंड करता है, बट ये है कि पेपर 1 का जैसे मान लो कि कब से स्टार्ट किया है ऑप्शनल?
सर अभी किया नहीं है, या मान लीजिए अभी
तो
करना
मान लो
है,
अभी से चालू कर रहे हो. हाँ, मान लो
yes
अभी
sir,
से
but I
चालू कर
have
रहे हो ना.
read it like in last attempt.
ओके हाँ, तो मान लो अभी जो चालू कर रहे हो ना, तो आइडियली
हाँ
पेपर 1 का हाफ पार्ट हो जाना चाहिए।
ओके सर, एंड प्रीलिम से पहले तो कितना, मतलब अगर पेपर 1 भी हो जाता है तो इज दैट सफिशिएंट?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, थोड़ी तो राहत है, बट पेपर 2 थोड़ा सा टच कर लोगे तो बेटर है। बट अगर नहीं भी होता है ना, अगर हम एक छोटा सा गोल लेके
यस
चले,
सर।
तो एटलीस्ट पेपर 1 तो हमारा कंप्लीट हो, क्योंकि
ओके
वो थोड़ा लेंथी भी रहता है।
okay sir, and one more question, how to maintain like relationship if you have entered into a new relationship?
ओके
This is creating a bit chaos and mentally you are not just in the study zone, so would you please say something about it?
Quite, quite an interesting doubt someone asked for the first time. Here it all depends on the bonding between two persons, कि सामने वाले को समझ में आता भी है कि नहीं कि सिविल सर्विसेज की
Yes
तैयारी
sir.
क्या है, क्योंकि
Yes sir.
sometimes people from diverse field don't even
हाँ
understand what kind of mental trauma, what kind of stress we go through while we
हाँ.
are preparing for the civil services.
Hmm.
So it all depends on your bonding, but
Sir, but I am like in dilemma. People say you should not enter into a new relationship during this phase. So should I continue or break? I am not very much into it right now.
मुझे 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 उस बेचारे लड़के की गालियां नहीं खानी है कि ब्रेकअप करा दिया। इट्स योर पर्सनल चॉइस, आर्टिकल 21 है ना, ये तुम्हारा है कि ब्रेकअप करना है, कंटिन्यू करना है, बट there is one thing, and that
Sir.
particular thing is that you should not sacrifice your preparation for anyone. Okay, and
Okay.
this doubt might looks like very silly, but you guys are young, and it's a very
Yes, sir.
common thing, and it's a very common thing to fall in love or it happens. But the thing
Oh,
is, but the
yes, sir.
most important thing is that I have seen candidates ruining their career,
Yes, sir.
ruining their entire career just for the sake of relationship.
Yes, sir.
And down the line, if you will see, hardly 0.0001% relationship continue. Like those who are from engineering college. Are you from
Yes,
engineering?
sir. No, sir. I have done
Okay.
graduation from Delhi University.
ओके, तो थोड़ा वो होगा ना एक टच, लाइक इंजीनियरिंग में होते थे ना, कपल बन जाते थे, शादी ब्याह करने, बच्चे करने, और वो
Yes.
4th ईयर के बाद में लाइक आउट ऑफ
हाँ.
100 हार्डली कोई एक होता था जो कंटिन्यू करता था, एंड लाइफ मूव्स ऑन. बट
Yes,
व्हाइल
sir.
यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग, this should be your primary goal. It should
Right,
not
sir.
become secondary. And
Right,
once
sir.
it becomes secondary, and फिर ना वो दिक्कतें आती हैं, और बाद में वही है कि ब्लेम करने को तो कोई ना कोई मिल जाएगा, स्केप गोट मिल जाएगा, बट
Mm-hmm.
it's all on us that how we are handling the things. There are many successful examples that both of them cleared the exam. There are many examples that one person cleared the exam. अभी एक टॉपिक छेड़ा ही है तो इस पे थोड़ी कहानी अभी सुन लो.
Sure, sir.
That one person cleared the exam. Suppose
Okay.
there are two X and Y. X cleared the exam, Y called, Y entered in Labasna,
हाँ.
and X fails to recognize that person. And they were together for 2, 3, 4 years. And it has
Okay.
happened with many. It has happened with many. So be ready for that also. That if your partner is
Okay.
clearing the exam, then he or she is gone. He is not
That is
going to
very
give you
mean,
peace.
sir.
It is not mean. It is not mean. And if you'll see that their life is very different. This
Okay.
aspirant life, you are no one. Today you are no
Right.
one, and tomorrow you are someone.
Yes, sir.
And when you become someone, you want to be with the like-minded people, with the same kind of crowd. So they
Right,
go
sir.
with that flow, and in the end, they are not happy and a lot of things. But it happens. तो
Right.
ये एस्पिरेंट सीरीज में जो दिखाया गया था ना कि ये ओवरएंड की
हाँ.
गलियों में ही रह जाती हैं चीजें, इट इज
हाँ.
क्वाइट ट्रू.
Okay.
बट ठीक है, इट इज पार्ट ऑफ लाइक आई वाज इन माय फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट, and one of my teacher of PABAD, he asked a question. Suppose there is a boy and there is a girl. If a boy
Okay.
can pluck 50 mango in 1 hour, and a girl can pluck 30 mango in 1 hour. और दोनों के दोनों एक बगान में हैं, they are in
हाँ,
the mango
हाँ।
bagan, then in
हम्म।
1 hour how many mangoes they'll pluck? कितने मैंगो करेंगे pluck?
80.
80. Anyone else?
Nothing.
30.
Who said nothing?
कोई प्लग कुछ नहीं करेगा सर, बैठ के गप्पे मारेंगे।
Who said nothing? इससे पहले? Pradeep. Very good. So my answer was sir 0. Why they are going to pluck the mangoes? And he is like, you are experienced one. And I said, no sir, I'm not. Then he said that look, as of now you are sacrificing your life for this particular examination,
Yes.
but this age is not going to come. So you should live
Right.
with the flow. And
Yes.
but these are very personal things.
Yes, sir.
So it all depends on you.
Sir, last question is the like ideal number of hours that one person should study and he can feel satisfied after that.
If you are studying for 0 hours, suppose someone is studying for 0 hours,
Yes, sir.
then start with 2-3 hours.
Okay.
Don't start with uh, don't start with 6-7 hours.
Okay.
वो एक ही दिन में थक जाओगे,
No
फिर अगला
possible.
दिन का
Yes, sir.
हैम्पर होगा. 2
Yes,
to
sir.
3 hours for 2 to 3 days. थोड़ा मोमेंटम बनेगा, थोड़ा समझ में आएगा करना
Yes,
क्या है.
sir. Yes, sir.
Then enter here. और यहाँ पे फिर थोड़ा लंबा रहो, like यहाँ पे 10-15 दिन तक रहो. Ideally
Yes, sir.
8 hours is very good. वो मूवी देखी है मिल्खा सिंह?
Yes, sir.
तो मिल्खा सिंह में होता है ना कि वो एक सीन होता है कि दूध मिलेगा और वो पहला वाला बहुत तेज भागना चालू कर देता है और फिर
हाँ
वो
जी।
आधे रास्ते में ही पड़ा हुआ मिलता है वो. तो
Yes,
यही
sir.
वाली कहानी हो जाती है जब हम डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे जंप करते हैं. व्हेन आई टॉक टू दोस हु हैव क्लियर्ड द एग्जाम, दे वर लाइक सर आई वाज वेरी मच कंफर्टेबल विद 8 hour, एंड व्हेनेवर आई tried to extend it to 12, suppose for Monday I did it 12,
Hmm.
then Tuesday I was not able to study even for 2 hours. So
Okay.
consistency matter.
Yes.
Even if you are here, it is very good, it is fine.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, next question.
Hi sir, Pradeep here.
Yes Pradeep.
सर जिस तरह से पेपर प्रीलिम्स के आ रहे हैं सर, शुड आई वरी अबाउट दैट आल्सो?
अच्छा यार, एक 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 important चीज. If you are not able to make your plans, not able to prioritize the things, priority में नहीं आ रहा है, एक छोटा सा नॉवेल है, प्लीज रीड इट. आई थिंक एन ब्रायन ट्रेसी. बहुत छोटा है, 100 पेज का है, 110. फर्स्ट रीड इट, देन स्टार्ट preparing. This is a very good novel, and you will not be learning how to eat the frog, but you will be learning about the plans, priorities, other things. And if you will use that trick in your preparation, certainly that is going to help. Okay, as far as prelims is concerned, yes, paper is becoming tough, not tough, weird, and I don't know whether in which side UPSC is going, but
Yeah, their sources are not like
yes, but you have to choose the
announced,
lot.
so-
Yes, you have to choose the combo.
Yes, sir.
In your preparation of prelims, you have to choose the combo. Like there is one combination, polity plus economy. What I'm observing from last 3-4 years, around 40 questions
sir.
are coming from this side, and
History
40 is
too,
a
sir.
big number. 40 is a big number. Polity, economy, sometimes 35. So 35 to 40. Second combination is environment,
Geography.
एग्रीकल्चर, साइंस एंड टेक. Same goes with this. 30 questions around 30, 35,
Yes, sir.
and then rest. If you have command over this, and if you have basic command over, let's say, history plus geography, where roughly 20, 25 questions are coming, even then you will clear the prelims. And in economy, they are entering into applied side. थोड़ा मेहनत करना है, but
Application
economy
based
का एक
questions.
फायदा है. हाँ, economy का एक फायदा है कि once you know how to apply the knowledge, then your life becomes very easier. फिर क्वेश्चन गलत नहीं होता है. और पॉलिटी का तो बेसिक गलत नहीं करना है यार. वो मतलब लोग जब डिबेट करते हैं कि सर स्टेट वाला क्वेश्चन, वो सब नहीं करना है, वो बेसिक है. ऐसे यहाँ पे यू हैव टू सी. और यहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा जो सोर्सेज का जो इशू है वो हिस्ट्री में है, बाकी में नहीं है.
Yes, sir. Last time same thing happened. This
हिस्ट्री इज ए
last prelims.
प्रॉब्लम.
I've gone
History
through
is a-
5 sources, but
हम्म.
कुछ ऐसा नहीं था कि like ये यहाँ से आया है या वहाँ से आया है.
हिस्ट्री इज ए प्रॉब्लम. तो इसका सोर्स स्टिल वी आर फाइंडिंग एंड विल इन्फॉर्म ऑन द एमपी चैनल. लाइक समवन टोल्ड मी
Yes,
दैट
sir.
एंशिएंट हिस्ट्री क्वेश्चंस वर फ्रॉम रोमिला थापर.
Yes, that Rohit.
Yes,
Rohit
yes,
Narang.
yes. हाँ.
Yes,
But Romila
he's my
Thapar
friend.
itself is a very big book.
It's a 600 page book, I think.
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
So 600 pages is huge. And like
हाँ.
they have asked question from NCERT themes. So we are in the finalizing stage. We'll finalize. And even if questions are coming from here, then we'll try to provide summary of that. Because
This is the definitely shows, sir. This is the
Mhm.
main source. Like
क्योंकि
2000 from the
पूरा-
2013 to this last year paper, like every question was there from that book
Yes.
only.
But 600 pages, like it's a very big. We'll try to summarize that. Important things, right?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
And sir, can you like guide me to the for my law optional, like how much time
लॉ
I
का
should
यार,
give
लॉ
it
का
for?
ना कुछ लॉ के कुछ जानने वाले दोस्त हैं, उनसे बात करा देंगे.
हाँ सर.
अपना तो लॉ से दूर दूर तक कोई पाला नहीं पड़ा, तो
ठीक है सर.
उसका ज्यादा idea नहीं.
आप मिलवा देना या बात ही करवा देना.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, मैं बात ही करा दूंगा प्रदीप, है ना.
हाँ.
हाँ ठीक. नेक्स्ट. यस, ऑर्गेनिक.
सर अंबु जी, सर इस मेंस मेंटरशिप के बारे में ये पूछना था, जो गाइडेंस सेशंस होंगे उनका सर कोई फिक्स टाइम होगा या रिकॉर्डेड सेशंस रहेंगे?
यार उनका फिक्स टाइम होगा, वो लाइव होंगे, रिकॉर्डेड नहीं रहेंगे.
तो यूजुअली सर 5 बजे के बाद ही होंगे, मतलब?
हाँ हाँ हाँ, अब क्योंकि कुछ लोग ना वर्किंग कैंडिडेट हैं.
ये
तो
अपने केस के लिए पूछ रहा था सर.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, तो वो ना या तो बिल्कुल नाइट टाइम पे होंगे अराउंड 8 और 9.
जी.
ईदर दे विल बी ऑन वीकेंड्स लाइक संडे,
अच्छा.
वैसा कुछ. हाँ,
हाँ, ठीक है, ठीक.
दोनों में से कुछ रहेगा.
और सर इसमें थोड़ा ही क्लैरिटी चाहिए, जो सर इसमें मेंटरशिप वाला एस्पेक्ट है,
हाँ.
उसमें मतलब किस तरह से रहेगा? जैसे कोई हम लोग जैसे आंसर राइटिंग में तो फीडबैक रहेगा ही, जो वो करना डेली आंसर राइटिंग वाला है.
देखो यार, इसमें क्या होता है ना, मेंटरशिप का मेन जो रोल है ना, यू विल बी अलॉटेड ए मेंटर. ठीक है.
जी.
सपोज यू आर डूइंग आंसर राइटिंग, या फिर सपोज जैसे सिर्फ सेशन अटेंड कर लिया कि ठीक है ये पढ़ना था, ये करना था. बट जनरली होता क्या है ना कि जो एग्जीक्यूशन वाला पार्ट है, यहाँ पे इशू आ जाता है मेन. तो सेकंड थिंग ये कंसिस्टेंसी आ नहीं पाती है. थर्ड थिंग ये सोर्सेज को लेके इश्यूज आते रहते हैं. तो ये वन पॉइंट कॉन्टेक्ट है पर्सन हु विल एंश्योर कि ये सारे इश्यूज नहीं है. सेकंड ये कि वीकली फीडबैक कॉल फ्रॉम द मेंटर कि क्या तैयारी चल रही है, क्या नहीं चल रहा है. थर्ड ये कि कहीं पे कोई इशू आता है, लाइक पर्सनल इश्यूज कुछ हैं, तो उसमें मेंटर हेल्प। एंड फोर्थ एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग कि तैयारी स्ट्रीमलाइन होती है। वो एक फील आता है कि हाँ अब तैयारी थोड़ी बेटर चल रही है, कंटेंट भी तैयार हो रहा है, नोट्स भी तैयार हो रहे हैं, आंसर राइटिंग भी बेहतर चल रही है। कि आंसर राइटिंग में कुछ इशू चल रहा है, तो अब यहाँ पे सिर्फ जब फीडबैक आता है ना, सपोज फीडबैक ऑल्दो वी ट्राई कि थोड़ा इलेबरेट फीडबैक दें, बट सपोज किसी क्वेश्चन में फीडबैक आ गया, इम्प्रूव योर इंट्रो। अब लिख के तो दे दिया एंड यू आर लाइक कि मुझे मेरा इंट्रो इम्प्रूव करना है, बट वो बताया नहीं ना कैसे करना है, या फिर बता भी दिया कि देखो थोड़ा इसको बेटर कर सकते थे, इसमें ये लिख सकते थे, वो कर सकते थे। अब एक इंट्रो का पता चल गया तो वहां पे स्ट्रक्चर का इशू आता है कि आगे वाले इंट्रो में क्या करना चाहिए था। जनरली मेंटर हेल्प इन ऑल दीज साइड्स, तो थोड़ी सी तैयारी ना बेहतर स्ट्रीमलाइन हो जाती है। और मेंटर्स आर दोज हु हैव अपीयर्ड इन दिस एग्जाम, है ना, और उन्होंने नंबर ऑफ अटेम्प्ट्स दिए हैं एंड दे हैव मेड द मिस्टेक्स। दे हैव मेड द मिस्टेक्स, और कुछ भी हाँ, सो दे हैव मेड द मिस्टेक्स, है ना, और कुछ उन्होंने जो अपनी गलतियां करी हैं, तो सो दे विल ट्राई कि द सेम काइंड ऑफ मिस्टेक यू विल नॉट कमिट। ठीक है ना?
ठीक है।
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, for the mains 2020 course, for video sessions, printed notes will be provided.
कौन सा वाला 20 सेशन?
No, in your mains 2022, 3 parts.
22.
One, yeah, 1 live sessions, 2 daily answer writing, 3 mentorship. For the first part, that is the live sessions, for that part, printed notes will be provided to the students.
No यार, प्रिंटेड नोट्स तो किसी भी कोर्स में नहीं है, ठीक है?
Okay.
तो उसमें जो भी नोट्स हैं वो पीडीएफ फॉर्म में है।
Oh, okay. PDF will be provided.
और फर्स्ट वाले पार्ट का आई एम नॉट श्योर, बट इन आंसर राइटिंग एंड मेंटरशिप वाला पार्ट नोट्स विल बी देयर। फर्स्ट वाला पार्ट का आई विल हैव टू चेक।
Okay. For the first part, whether PDF will be provided or not, it is not sure.
Yeah, it is not sure.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, next question.
सर कुशाग्र हियर। एक्चुअली सर मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि टेक्निकल सब्जेक्ट में सक्सेस रेट क्या है और इसकी प्रिपरेशन की क्या क्या कैसे स्ट्रेटजी, मतलब क्या स्ट्रेटजी होनी चाहिए?
ऑप्शन फाइनल कर लिया है क्या?
हाँ फाइनल कर लिया।
हाँ यार देखो, टेक्निकल का ना एक जो फायदा है, उसके प्रोज एंड कॉन्स दोनों हैं। प्रोज ये है, मार्क्स अच्छे आ जाते हैं, ठीक है ना, मार्क्स थोड़े अच्छे आ जाते हैं। सेकेंड ये, वंस इट इज डन, इट इज डन। सपोज मैथमेटिक्स है या कुछ भी है ना, तो ये इसके प्रोज। कॉन्स क्या है? प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया तो 0 बटे सन्नाटा, फिर वो भूलना चालू कर देते हैं। सेकेंड एंड द बिगेस्ट इशू इज टाइम टेकिंग। इट इज टाइम टेकिंग। Like to prepare mathematics, you need around 8 months आराम से। यहीं पे शो हुआ, बाकी हुआ थोड़ा कम टाइम में हो जाता है। थर्ड इशू, ड्यूरिंग प्रिपरेशन स्विचिंग बिटवीन ऑप्शनल एंड जीएस becomes tough. Suppose आज आप let's take example mathematics, that your optional is mathematics and you have taken that, तो अब मान लो आज पूरा दिन भर मैथमेटिक्स पढ़ लिया ना, तो शाम को यू कैन नॉट स्टडी जीएस, इट बिकम्स इम्पॉसिबल। तो वो थोड़ा ब्रेक चाहिए होता है वो जीएस मोड में आने के लिए, और जीएस पढ़ रहे हो तो मैथमेटिक्स मोड में आने के लिए यू रिक्वायर द ब्रेक। हैव यू स्टार्टेड योर ऑप्शनल?
एक्चुअली सर मेरा ब्रांच इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स है और मैं ऑलरेडी वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल हूँ और मेरा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स कंप्लीटली फिनिश है, मेरे को कोई इशू नहीं है उसमें। बट मेरा जो ऑप्शनल है वो है इलेक्ट्रिकल, क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स है वो ऑप्शनल में अवेलेबल नहीं है। तो मुझे 3-4 सब्जेक्ट, जो 4 सब्जेक्ट एक्स्ट्रा है वो पढ़ने की जरूरत है। तो उसके लिए मैं अभी कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन उसमें मुझे इतना कमांड नहीं हो पा रहा है, बट मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि उसको मैं फिनिश करूँ। तो अप्रॉक्स मेरा 60% सिलेबस रेडी है और ये इसमें मुझे कंप्लीट कमांड है कि मैं उसमें क्वेश्चंस कर सकता हूँ।
बिल्कुल ठीक है।
तो वही मैं ये जानना चाह रहा हूँ कि मतलब इसमें सक्सेस रेट कैसा है, क्योंकि मैंने अभी सिविल सर्विसेज का इतना देखा नहीं है, बाकी
यार
इंजीनियरिंग।
इसके लिए टॉपर्स का चेक करना पड़ेगा कि कितने लोग वहां से निकल रहे हैं, बट टेक्निकल में जनरली मार्क्स ठीक आ जाते हैं। मतलब अगर शोशो में या फिर फिलोसफी या पबैड में लोग एवरेज मार्क्स 260 लेके बैठ रहे हैं, तो इन ऑप्शनल में एवरेज मार्क्स 280 चले जाता है।
अच्छा।
तो ये थोड़ा एडवांटेज है इधर। और यहाँ पे क्या है, थोड़ी श्योरिटी ऑफ मार्क्स है, यहाँ पे श्योरिटी ऑफ मार्क्स है। अब जैसे मैथमेटिक्स है 2 + 2 = 4 है, तो वो है कहाँ पे नंबर काटो। सोसाइटी में क्या है, सोसाइटी इज इवॉल्विंग लिखा है, एग्जामिनर बोल रहा है कोई इवॉल्व नहीं कर रही, सब दोबारा पीछे जा रहे हैं, बंदर बनते जा रहे हैं, नंबर काट लेगा वो, है ना। तो वो वाली बात है।
ओके सर, ओके, थैंक यू।
ओके, वेलकम। लास्ट 2 क्वेश्चंस।
Hello, sir.
यस शिखा।
So actually, I do not have any doubt. So like I am already SOMT student. So like I want to thank you for these short sections you have in between. So because they help me guide, they help me and they guide me. And they also tell me like as to where I stand at this point of time and what more I have to do. So I just want to say thank you for these things. That's it.
Welcome for this and thank you for the appreciation and we hope that these sessions help the candidate थोड़ा भटके नहीं, बस तैयारी अच्छे से करते रहें सब लोग ना।
सर वही मेरा भी 4th attempt था, तो सर वो I have also seen all the previous sections like of Kelly ma'am also which you had got. So sir it was like I can relate myself like 99% with Kelly ma'am. So somewhere or the other I feel the confidence that yes, if I can then I can too. So sir that is why I'm there with SOMT and sir I really want to thank you for this. Sir I've never thanked before, but yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Welcome and thank you for the appreciation. Okay. Next question.
Hello.
Yes, Gulshan.
Sir, Gulshan here.
Yes, Gulshan.
सर ड्यूरिंग दिस मेंटरशिप प्रोग्राम ऑप्शनल के लिए भी कुछ गाइडेंस रहेगी क्या सर इसमें?
नहीं यार ये जीएस का ही है, ऑप्शनल का एज ऑफ नाउ नहीं है। ऑप्शनल ओनली पीएसआईआर इज अवेलेबल विद अस एज ऑफ नाउ।
हिस्ट्री के लिए कोई प्लानिंग है सर?
नहीं यार, अभी बिल्कुल कमिट नहीं कर सकता।
सर आपने एक बार ना एक एनालिसिस
सर
आपने एक बार एनालिसिस डाला था कि पर्टिकुलर किस ऑप्शनल पे कितनी वेटेज जा रही, कितने मार्क्स वो ले रहे हैं। जीएस का डाला था शायद आपने, ऑप्शनल के बाद में आप डिटेल्स में गए थे।
ऑप्शनल का डाला था आई थिंक सो, और ये इंटरव्यू वाले चैनल से डाला गया था।
ओके सर।
बट अभी हिस्ट्री का कोई प्लान नहीं है, सो वी कैन नॉट कमिट एनीथिंग।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच।
एनीवन?
और सर एक्सक्यूज मी, ये जो बैच स्टार्ट होने वाला है ये कब से स्टार्ट है, कोई डेट है सर?
यार बैच तो मतलब स्टार्ट ही है, वो आज से ही स्टार्ट है ना।
ओके सर।
और इंटीग्रेटेड का पोस्ट आ जाएगा, तो वो भी अब स्टार्ट हो ही जाएगा। अब ये है कि तैयारी में लगो यार, तैयारी अच्छे से करो। एंड स्पेशली जो भी चीजें हैं, जो भी गलतियां की हैं, देखो कुछ गलतियां तो हमने भी करी, तो वो हम सभी को पता है कि तैयारी में कहाँ पे जाके हमने क्या मिस्टेक करी है। So we all learn from our mistake, but at the same point of time, we should start early. We should not delay the process. The more you delay, you are losing the time.
Time is very valuable. अभी चल रहा है सर ये बैच?
हाँ, ये आज से ही चालू हुआ है।
Okay, thank you sir.
Okay, welcome. Last out, anyone? Preparation, anything?
हेलो सर, ये मेंटर्स और सब कब असाइन होंगे फॉर द बैच एंड एवरीथिंग? द प्रोसेस लाइक इट विल इट बी इन्फॉर्म्ड ऑन द क्लोज चैनल ग्रुप और like do we have to talk to the management ourselves?
It will be informed to you personally. In which course you are enrolled?
So this means 22 only.
Okay. Then you will
session
be
plus
informed.
answer writing plus
Hmm.
mentorship.
Okay. So you will be informed individually about your mentor. And
Okay.
there was one doubt about SOMP mentors. Let me clarify some of the things. In mains mentorship, or in prelims mentorship, the track record of the mentor is they have appeared in mains minimum 3 times. So minimum 3 times they have cleared the prelim. And there are some mentor who have appeared in interview minimum 2 times. So there is no mentor who has not cleared the prelims and he or she is going to mentor you. No, that is not going to happen. Minimum 3 times they have appeared in mains. And why this criteria is there? Those who have appeared in mains in 1 time, it means someone clear prelims 1 time. They might not be having the exact idea that how to clear the prelims, and how to clear the prelims means consistently. And once they clear it consistently with different set of paper of UPSC, they came to know that how to clear the prelims. In the main side, 3 mains, so they have vast experience. Even they were struggling to clear the mains. Some were struggling in their interview, getting the rank. So while struggling, they knew what kind of mistakes they have committed. And the same we do not want you to commit. So in SOMP, there is no mentor who has not appeared in mains. Okay. Yes. I hope we have cleared all the doubts. If any last doubt is there, please feel free to ask, then we'll end the session. Okay, no doubts. So I hope you guys will start preparation very well and you guys will give your best and make sure whatever you do when the result comes next year, whether it is prelims or mains or final one, you are like that on December 3rd, I had made the right choices. Only this thing matters, nothing else. To make sure that you are making the right choices. Okay, guys, then see you later in some other session. Good
Thank you
night.
so much, sir.
Okay,
Thank you so
welcome.
much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks for the session, sir.